Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BNV effect on how to add glow filters effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add a photo or the video that you want to edit, in here you just click on the filters at the bottom. And after this, in here you can click on the glow, this one at the bottom. You just click on it, and then in here you can swipe left or right for the setting the filters. You can see this is the before, this is the after, this is the before after. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add glow filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.